Hello, the Train Lover 1000 here with another video. Now, it's been a while since I showed my G-gauge, last summer I believe it was, so a lot has changed. So, there's a bridge over there, station, water tower. Oh yeah, and look at this. This engine with sound. Pretty sure you're all jealous. It's awesome, I know. So, I'll run it for you. Such a nice day, so I decided to come out and set it all up and run today. First day of the spring, really, I was able to run, so enjoy. So I hope you enjoyed this little video. More G-gauge stuff will definitely be shown this summer because it's just really been completed now. So thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.